Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 32 how to bulk video upload on YouTube on a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So on this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a YouTube account. So we can now go over down to the dock, go to your web browser, which is Safari in this case, go to YouTube Studio, make sure you are signed into the account, and then go to the left hand side navigation bar where we see content. Click on content, and now this is the video manager. To now upload a video or bulk upload, you must have a couple of videos ready for upload. Go to create, upload videos. We can select the files or we can drag and drop. We will select files. Go to documents, my YouTube channel, tutorials. And now we have a folder that's called YouTube videos. Click on this. We see video 1 and 2. Highlight. And now choose 2 videos. And once we start the video uploads, both videos are uploading on the right hand bottom corner of the screen. Once they are uploaded, we can go back to Video Manager to see the videos which are in now the draft section. So go to filter, visibility, draft, apply. And so the videos have started to process. Once that is done, we can then change the title, description, tags, and then fully edit the video and then schedule upload for another date. So we can close the uploads. Quit Safari. That's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.